all my veggie-loving people out there. Today, we are going to be making perfectly steamed broccoli. Now, personally, I like sauteed broccoli rather than steamed broccoli, but all of my friends and family say that I make the perfect steamed broccoli, so I am going to give my little secret to you. You're gonna want your broccoli to be vibrant green. If it starts to get a little bit yellow, it's not bad, it's just starting to wilt. But you can still eat it. It's not gonna be as nutritious and it may not be as good, but it's not bad and it's better than throwing it away and being wasteful. The only thing that you're really gonna need for this recipe is literally broccoli and a steamer. And water, hot water, steaming hot water. And then you pretty much got it.
Cut your broccoli into small pieces. After that, place the broccoli in the steamer and close the lid. Let those steam for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on the firmness that you prefer. To test if they're ready, take a fork or a knife and cut into one. If it goes in easy, you're ready to go. When you're not serving right away, blanch the broccoli. That's basically a fancy word for an ice bath, which is gonna shock the veggies and prevent them from cooking any further. And that's it. Perfectly steamed broccoli is served.
All right, everybody, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!